Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nichole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Guardian Leopard. I hope you enjoy it. Long ago, in a mysterious forest where trees reached for the sky and exotic flowers swayed in the gentle breeze, lived a kind and powerful leopard named Yara. Yara, with her beautiful golden fur and eyes filled with profound wisdom, was not only a majestic presence, but also a loving mother to two lively cubs, Oliver and Ellie. She cherished her cubs as the most precious treasures of her life. The forest was Yara's kingdom, where she safeguarded every inch of land to ensure safety and harmony. Her kindness and wisdom resonated throughout the forest, earning her respect from other creatures who considered her the guardian of the woods. One day, the forest echoed with unfamiliar and unsettling noises. Yara raised her head, sensing an ominous presence in the air. She understood that her serene territory was about to face a significant upheaval. A group of human hunters entered the forest, armed with blades and driven by greedy desires. Yara realized that her kingdom was under threat. With unwavering leadership, she rallied other animals, including cunning foxes, mighty bears, and nimble squirrels, forming a diverse alliance to counter the invading hunting party. The battle commenced, and Yara led her allies in a strategic and organized resistance. With her powerful claws and clever tactics, she defended every inch of the forest. She wasn't just a mother leopard. She emerged as a brave leader. However, the hunters proved to be formidable adversaries, employing various means to conquer the land. Yara understood that this was not just a fight to defend her territory, but a struggle to safeguard the entire natural world. During the lulls in the battle, Yara thought of her cubs. Oliver and Ellie were deep within the forest, cared for by other animals. Fueled by a determined resolve, Yara aimed to create a safe and beautiful future for her cubs. As the battle unfolded, Yara's allies displayed astonishing unity and courage. The foxes employed clever strategies, guiding the hunters deep into the forest, while the bears used their strength to withstand the onslaught. Yara and her fellow leopardesses showcased agile and swift movements, becoming the backbone of the battle. Finally, after a grueling struggle, the hunting party was driven out of the forest. Yara and her allies emerged victorious, defending their home. The joy of victory permeated the air, and the forest regained its tranquility. Yara returned to her den, where her cubs greeted her from a distance. She gazed at them with tender eyes, knowing that their future would be brighter because of this triumph. Yara became the legendary mother leopard, infusing new vitality into the entire forest with her kindness and courage. Since then, Yara and her descendants have lived in this forest, becoming its guardians. People pass down their story, etching their names into the memory of this mysterious land. The legendary tale of Yara teaches every life that enters this forest that kindness and unity are the most potent forces to defend one's home.